Let me start by announcing that the COVID-19 wage supplement will run in its current form till the end of October. And we will extend the validity of the vouchers also till then, meaning till the end of October. By the end of October, we will have announced our budget for 2021, which will include details for the longer term for government assistance to businesses, including any revisions to the current model of the wage supplement beyond October, and support to households. In the upcoming budget, we intend to give another boost to our economy, similar to what we did last June. But it will be more comprehensive as we will look beyond businesses and consumers, whilst continuing to ensure that prosperity reaches all.